Hello and welcome to RLRXL Network. I'm your friend, and in this amazing and awesome video I will teach you how you can create a beautiful stunning chart in Excel 2019. As you can see on my screen, I have already created this beautiful chart with the use of these data which I have taken. Actually, here I have taken some team leader's name and what their team is getting performance is mentioned over here, and on the basis of these data I have created this stunning chart. And this stunning chart is dynamic stunning chart. It means if I will change the value of performance of their teams, then it will reflect in their stunning charts automatically. All right, let's change the result and see how it is reflecting. If I will refresh this sheet, then you can see how it is reflecting. All right, why? Because here I have taken the performance in rand between formula. All right, here you can also put your actual performance and make your this report. All right, this is looking amazing. All right, so without wasting any extra time, let's go to our new worksheet and try to create this beautiful chart. Before starting this charting method, if you did not subscribe my channel still, so please subscribe it quickly, because I always try to make the useful videos for you so that you can become an Excel expert easily. All right, to make this chart I will just select my this data and press Ctrl C to copy it and just add a new worksheet and paste the data over here. Alright, to create this beautiful stunning chart I need four support column. The first one would be transparent part. Means, as you can see in this chart, this one which is filling the data is your performance, but the rest data which is not filling, as you can see this portion which is transparent part. Alright, so how will I create this? I will just press is equal to 1 means 100% minus your actual performance and just copy it. So now your transparent part is done. Now just need to add another support column which would be data level, your this portion. So for this I will take defaultly 30%, and after that I will change it. Alright, now the third one, which is top cap. Top cap I will take defaultly 10%, and the bottom cap will also take defaultly 10%, because the top cap and the bottom cap size is almost same. That's why I have taken 10% in both column. Alright, now just select the entire data, go to insert tab. Now click on column chart and take this one, which is 3D stacked column chart. Just resize your chart how much you want. Alright, then just select your entire chart, go to design tab, click switch row to column. Alright, then go to again format tab and do the shape fill as no fill, shape outline as no outline. Alright, then just we need to change the axis, but if you will check your complete data of any team leader, so that it total percentage would be 150%. Alright, so I will just select my axis, right click on it, format axis, and here I will take minimum as 0 and the maximum as 1.5, means 150%. Alright, then I will just click on this plus button and remove the axis, but I want to remove this only vertical axis, so just click on this button and remove only primary vertical. Then remove the chart title, remove the grid lines, and remove the legends. Alright, then what we need to do, just select any of this worksheet cell and go to view tab and remove the grid lines. Alright, then select your data bar and right click on it, go to format data series, and here the gap depth is currently 150%, take it as 0, and the gap width is also currently 150%, but take it as around 40%. And then the column shape is currently boxed, change it to from box to cylinder. Alright, just close it. Then right click on your cylinder, go to 3D rotation, and here under 3D rotation I will choose the X rotation as 0 and the Y rotation as almost 10%. Then just close it. Now I just need to arrange this data. So I will just select the bar and right click on it, go to select data, and here I will take the top bottom on first. So just select top bottom and click on first. Now select the data label and just do it on second. Now the in third time it would be performance, and the fourth time it would be transparent part, and the in last which would be top cap, and just click on OK. All right, now we just need to add the color. So what will I do? I will just select the top cap, right click on it, go to format data series, go to fill, and do the shape fill as solid fill and take the color as white. All right, select the bottom one and then do the solid fill, and this time I will take solid fill as darker white. Let's say this one. All right, now the transparent area would be select this one, do the solid fill as also white. All right, now we need to change the transparent part. So select this one, go to solid fill. Now also take white one, but in that time give the transparency as almost 75%. All right, then in last we need to add or change the filled color each and every one. All right, so just select or double click on it so that it would be first one selected, and click on solid fill, and this time take the solid fill, let's say red, and give the transparency as 25%, so it would be also transparent. All right, then select the second one, do the solid fill at, let's say, white, bright orange, and do the transparency also 25%. Then select the third one and give the solid color as also, let's say, this one, and this time also give the transparency as 25%, so that this color would be as, let's say I'm taking green one, and this time also it would be 25%, and in the last I will take the solid color as black and will take the transparency as 25%. So you can see your chart is almost ready. Just we need to add the data label. So I will just right click on it, select or click add data label. So your data label has been added, but now the data label is data currently 30%. So I will just select this data label, right click on it, format data label, click on value from sales, and select your performance range. Just click on OK, and then remove check mark from value and show leaders line, so that it would be done. Now just we need to increase the font size. So just go to home, increase the font, and let's say take around 28. Do the outlining as bold and font type as agency FB, and now choose the each data label color, that would be this filled color. So that would be font color as orange, that would be, select each and every one, so that would be red, this one would be orange, this one would be blue, this one would be like green, and the last one would be black. All right, so now this is done. Just we need to increase the font of each and every MIS or team leader's name. So just select this one and increase the font, and let's say I'm taking this time 18%, and just bold it and take the font as also agency FP. All right, now just do the font color as black. All right, so this is now done. Just we need to add the base of this. So for this I will just click on insert, illustration, shapes, and now we'll take this one which is rounded rectangles, just draw it. All right, then select this yellow or pick this yellow button and just right towards, and then select this rectangle, go to format and do the shape fill as like this one, and remove the outline. Then right click on it, format shape, and this time I will go to effects, and under 3D rotation I will go to presets, and under perspective I will select this one which is perspective relaxed. All right, just reduce the Y rotation 2 times, let's say, or 3 times. Now this one would be better. Then expand 3D format, then in top bevel we select this one which is cutout. all right, and I will take the depth as 25. All right, so now your this one base is also done. Just select this chart complete and just resize so that it would be better than earlier, like this one, and then resize it also. Just select this, right click, send to back, and just keep it around this, like this one. Alright, so now your data is done. Just select both shape using Control A, right click, and make this crop. Alright, so now your chart is ready. Now you just do not need to show this data, so just select this and make the font color as white, and now your chart is ready. Alright, so now just you can easily show your data using this beautiful stunning chart. All right, so I hope you will like this video and you know how you can create this beautiful and amazing stunning chart in Excel 2019. All right, I hope that you will make this beautiful stunning chart from yourself more beautiful than me, and give the comments how you have created this beautiful chart. All right, and I will meet you next video to make your charting series more attractive and more beautiful. All right, till then, goodbye.